Wish I had more room here. We got everything's welded up on the firewall that needed to be welded. This is my brother's 68 GTO. Just trying to get some epoxy on it so then we can get the body work done and smooth everything out. We put a floor in it. Blasted a lot of stuff. Cleaned up the old supports. Got that all in. Everything's taped up because what I'm going to do is I'm going to epoxy it today. Tomorrow I'll raptor line the bottom. Of course I got to seam seal it first. Get everything ready to go. Use some of that asphalt and some of the little pits and everything that didn't come out with the sandblaster. It's been a project. I work a lot of hours, so it's really hard to get in here and get this. I wanted to have this in primer and all this stuff about 6 months ago, but I'll also get some video of the frame and everything, and motor's all in it. We cleaned up the exhaust. It was pretty new, so we'll see what it looks like after we get it in primer. Cut you back in later.